that I have done in like 72 years. Hi everyone, it's been such a long time since I've been live on YouTube, since I've been posting on YouTube. My last video was fun, all about stencils. But today I come to you with something different. I have something super excited coming up and I want to show you guys all about it. So it's next weekend. It's actually next Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And it's the Stress-Free Card Making Summit. It is totally free to come. So let's just get that out of the way. It's totally free to attend. The Stress-Free Card Making Summit is something that I run with my very good friend, Justine Hovey. And we came up with this idea a couple of years ago because if you guys are anything like us, you probably, when you started out, you felt like you needed to have all the things. So you have tons and tons and tons and tons of card making supplies. And I feel that for you. My entire room, this is just a little corner of it, but my entire room was filled with all kinds of card making supplies, even supplies that I didn't use. Like I remember investing in Copic markers, but I don't color. So I don't know why I invested in such expensive markers as they are, and I don't color. Then I invested in this hot foiling machine and this whole like hot foiling glimmer system thing. Again, I barely ever foil, but I felt like everybody else had it, and I felt like I had this little FOMO situation going on. So if everybody else had it, I needed to go get it, and then it just sat and collected dust. And I moved several times. So not only did it sit and collect dust, but I paid to move it to sit and collect dust. So if anybody is like that with whatever your projects and products are, hi, I'm Laurel and I understand completely because I did it. But about a year ago, I was like, this is insane. This is insane, the amount of things that I have. It's not serving me. It's not serving anyone else by just sitting here. So I did a massive purge. And I also said, I am not going to buy anything new unless it's something revolutionary or unless I am restocking something like a black ink pad refill or something like that. That doesn't count. But I'm not just gonna go and jump on the bandwagon of full set syndrome with all of my inks, with every stamp company that's releasing something. I have a ton of Christmas stamps, I'm good. You know, unless something revolutionary comes out and I just have to have it, I'm not going to go out and get it. So to do that, and this is very extreme, but I know me and I am an impulse buyer and I always will be. So to do that, I actually unsubscribed from a lot of stores' emails. I know. And now I feel like I'm missing out because sometimes I'm like, what's that? And it's been around for a year and then I just feel old. But you don't need to do that extreme. If you have self-control, awesome. But I didn't. So that's what I did. So not only do I not know any of the new things coming out, but I didn't feel the need to go and buy everything. So when I did that, and that was maybe, it might have been longer than a year ago. I don't know, to be honest, but I don't miss it is my point. Like I went completely extreme, and yeah, I'm not, up to date with all of the latest revolutionary items and trends and things that are coming out there, but I'm okay with that. Because what I make in my room is coming from my head, not someone else's. Do I go to Pinterest and friends that I follow? Of course I do. If I feel like I'm in a slump or I don't know what to do. But for majority, I feel good about myself. I feel good about what I'm creating. And when I feel like I'm in some kind of like lull, then I'll get on Pinterest or then I'll go to Justine's blog or Ardith. I just love Ardith. She's like amazing. And I get inspired, right? As far as ink pads, I still have the same, hey there, I still have the same Catherine Pooler ink colors. I know she's released some new colors lately. I'm sure they're fabulous. I didn't get them. I have what I have and I love them, right? So that's where I'm personally at. This was a very long way of 4.5 minutes to say to you that when Justine and I got together, we created the Stress-Free Card Making Summit because we knew that it was possible for people to create cards without having a million different supplies or without needing these cutters or without needing these specific products or anything like that. We knew that was happening. So the theme of the Stress-Free Card Making Summit is using 5 supplies or less. Now there is a little catch. We don't consider supply cardstock because if you're a card maker, you're going to have cardstock. We don't consider household items like a black pen a supply, but we do consider like a die cutting machine a supply. A die is a supply. Ink pads, one supply. You know, because you have, if you're a card maker, you have to have the basics, some form of ink pad, some form of cardstock, you know, probably some form of stamps. But as far as specific items like die cutting, a stencil would count as a supply. Anything that's not like in a common everyday crafter's room is considered a extra supply. But we have people and speakers from all over the globe and from all different kinds of backgrounds, whether it's mixed media, whether it's very clean and simple like me, whether it's one layer, whether it's Mod Podge, media, stamping, layers, whatever. We have all the different people come together, and we do this twice a year. And they come together for a weekend and we share our creativity, and we do that for free. And so the Stress-Free Card Making Summit is coming up next weekend. Usually we host it in September. We were a little late to the game this year because we were trying to make it easy for attendees to come, because there are so many summits out there already and events. We don't want to compete with them, but we also want to give you something that is unlike what is out there. So we are not product based. We are not trying to promote supplies. We're not pushing affiliate links to try to make money. We're not doing any of this. We are encouraging you to use what you have. And we are saying, hey, you can make these amazing products with just 5 supplies or less. You can do it. Doesn't mean your cards are boring. Doesn't mean they're not inspiring. It's just letting you know that you don't have to have all those things to create something beautiful and that you're proud of and that you may want to give away, or maybe you want to sell it. Maybe you want to have a little hobby that makes you some money. So that's what we're about. And so our next one is coming up. It is next weekend. Our kickoff party is on Thursday, which is what, the 16th? Hold on, I gotta look at my calendar real quick. I had it pulled up. Okay, so our kickoff call is Thursday the 16th, but our summit actually starts on the 17th, which is Friday. It goes Friday, it goes Saturday, it goes Sunday. And each day we have different speakers that will come on and share their presentations with you. And if you come on a free ticket, which you are absolutely, we encourage that. We love that. You come, you have 24 hours to watch, let's just say Friday. And by the way, this summit is hosted in Eastern time zone. So we give 24 hours from 8 a.m. Eastern, so whatever that is where you are, you need to convert it. And you get 24 hours to watch that day's presentations. Then the presentations expire, and then we'll move into Saturday's presentations. Those will expire Sunday morning at 8 a.m., and then Sunday's presentations will expire Monday morning at 8 a.m. So you have, I can't do math in my head, 24, 48, 58, 64 hours, is that correct? To watch 24 summit presentations, 24 speakers. There is an available upgrade for just $39 is our, if you come and you join us, you have 30 minutes to jump in on this like super fast action, as we call it, a fast action pass. So you can get access to the summit for $39, which will give you lifetime access to all the presentations. But also there's a lot of freebies and bonuses, and we have Riley and Company and Karen Berniston, KB Riley. Those are our sponsors for the event, so they have exclusive discount codes for you. And then there's also some fun extra interactive activities that we do with you for paid ticket holders. So there are 2 different versions of which you can come, free or paid. If for some reason you decide after the fact, hey, you know, maybe I don't want it at this time, and then you change your mind and you do want to get the ticket, you're absolutely, we'd love to have you. The price will increase by $20. So it's $39 if you get in right away, or $20 more if you decide later on you might want to join us. It's completely up to you. That's how we are running it. We're very upfront with that, with costs. We're not trying to hide anything. That is what it is. And we love it that way. We love our free ticket holder attendees. We love our paid ticket holder attendees. You do get a lot more bonuses and perks as a paid ticket holder, but some people don't have the funds. We understand that. So that is why we have those options. So what my card is, you want to see what my supply is? It's shaving cream. So most people have shaving cream in their house. I didn't. It's also the shaving cream now that most men use is like a gel. This is actually the foam. Remember the old school white foam? So this is my one supply, and I created a whole bunch of different cards in my presentations using shaving cream, and we did some fun marbling. So this is what you'll get for my class. And then there's a whole bunch. We've got some Procreate people. If you're into Procreate with the iPad, we have people like drawing their own patterns. We have people doing mixed media. We have interactive cards, pop-up cards. We have all the things. But what is so amazing is that there's 24 different people with 24 different ideas, styles, and tastes that are coming for the summit just to teach you. So I encourage you, please join us. The link is stressfreecardmaking.com. After this video goes live, I will update the description section with that link and you can grab your free ticket. I hope you will join us. There are also some of the speakers, myself included, have opted to do a live speaker Q&A. That's on a schedule. It's on the schedule page, which you'll get as soon as you grab your free ticket. And you can come and talk to us live and ask us questions about our presentations or about anything you want. We usually go live, the ones that have decided to do it, which I'm always game, for about 30 minutes to answer any of your questions. But we also have some fun other behind the scene things that we're doing for paid ticket holders, so I can't really talk about here. But it's super fun. So I want you to join us. So I just, decided to get out of the PJs today, got dressed, put on some lipstick, and I even have on purple eyeshadow. Can we even? It matches my shirt. To talk to you about the Stress-Free Card Making Summit. So I see someone bought the summit after my wonderful mother-in-law passed. Oh, and then the comment went away right when I just read that. And so I'm very sorry to hear about the passing of your mother-in-law and what a crappy thing for it to go off the screen when I didn't even get to finish reading it. Anyway, so I hope this will bring you some joy and inspiration, and then it gives you something to do. It's fun. You can hang out with us. So this is a live. I am going to put it on the recording. Like, it's going to go up on my channel. So anybody that's watching after the fact, hi, welcome and bye, because I'm getting ready to go. But do join us, stressfreecardmaking.com. We would love to have you. The live event is next weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Like I said, if you're on a free ticket holder pass, you can watch. You have 24 hours to watch all the presentations. So I hope you'll join us. I cannot wait to see you. I've got so much energy built up. I just can't even. So I cannot wait to see you guys next weekend. It's starting to get cool here, so I have long sleeves on. It's been a while. I'm in Georgia. Bloody hot here in the summer. Not as hot as Florida, which is where I grew up. So anyway, the leaves are falling. It's getting cooler, and it's just happy. It's just a happy time. So thank you guys so much if you popped into me live. Thank you for watching me on the replay. Check the link in the description below if you want to grab your free ticket, stressfreecardmaking.com. And that is it. Bye, guys.